That's what you call a blue-collar breakfast right there, fellas. We got some cheesy tots that look like the lady might have ate about half of them. And I've got 2 lottery tickets. And it's 7:30 in the morning, but I don't care. I like to enjoy life. We're all rigged up. This is my new flat bucket I just got. I got such a smoking deal on this thing. Caterpillar brand too, brand new. And I've got the grapple. This is my mom and dad's house. The property's down the street, but I'm gonna go hang out with them for a minute. I'll show you the backyard. I built them here last year for their Christmas present when they were on vacation. I surprised them. Because I'm such a good son. I am. And I'll own it. I'll own it. I really will. But check this out. Look at how baller this is. Built in this patio with all the lighting and the trees. I built this entire lean-to and I put AstroTurf down where we grill out. I'm him. I'm him. All you other kids out there, if you haven't done this for your parents, you're not doing good enough. Like, you're just not. Be a better son. Be a better child. Do better. Good morning.
Bugsy.
What up, Mom? What are you doing up?
Where'd I go? What time's Bugsy gonna get here? And your dad says he's probably
He's probably what, still sleeping?
in the fart bag, he said.
Yeah, and guess who's in the fart bag?
No, he's in the
He's in the fart bag.
bathroom.
Yeah, the fart bag. Look at this, Dad. You're the one just sitting there stinking it up, and I'm actually on time.
Oh, I can't believe it. I would bet my soul against it.
Oh. Look at this little rat. He's gambling. Alright, come back. Keep on. Oh, no, you gotta straighten it out. Go way forward. To the right. I'm messing with him. The boy can't slow down. Just go, go, go. Oh, with the Crispies. We're gonna unload it right where you are.
Yeah, bro. If, like, I had a sweet trailer like theirs in like my truck right now.
I know, it would look
One of
sweet.
their, like, color scheme trailers.
Own boss, supply. You get a haircut? Looks good.
Thanks, dude. Yeah, it does look nice, crispy. Needed it back.
Thank you guys for helping today. Yeah. I see these milling, son.
We out here, bro.
That's a good load, Paulie.
Where was that first location?
Oh, it looks like he's ready to go, man.
Dude, drip.
I didn't realize it was kind of cold out here.
It was chilly.
Does it get warmer for us today?
What the fuck's going
I don't even know how that's possible. Must have got some air on the way here. What did he break? What? What did he break this time? Oh, I'm just gonna pop my skiddy off and then go park over there.
Okay, why can't I park back here?
Because I'm trying to pull up.
I'm gonna be burning and shit.
Dude, I just need you to step out of the way for 5 minutes. Dude, just give me 5 minutes and then you can do whatever you want.
I want the brush first.
Okay. Why'd you want to move the trailer anyway, Dad? Why do we gotta move the camper?
What?
Why do we gotta move the camper?
You said I had to move it.
No, I didn't.
You said you wanted it out of your way.
I'm fucking with you. I'm getting
Fuck you and that fucking film.
I'm getting the
Get me
rage.
all fucking wound up, you dickhead.
That's what we call rage bait, baby. That's how we get views, Dad. Rage
Tuck
bait.
my cables on there, will you?
And what's funny is that's natural. I literally knew that was gonna happen, and that wasn't a skit. Like, that's my dad being.
They're arguing.
What did Mark say?
Before you and your dad said
Oh.
That's so funny.
Next door. Once I unload it, you park right next to me.
That's what your girl looks like.
Dude, this, the grapple looks like 90% of the population skis up here. What's wrong?
We're up to
Where's that sound? It is so beautiful out, holy cow. I've got such good friends too. Mark came out today to help grade the road for my parents. And I'm so mad I wasn't recording. I literally just moved this tree like 5 feet and it's still upright, so I'm just gonna replant it. Yeah, boy. That's not fucking Chinese back, bitch. That's what I'm gonna do. Literally just move all the twerklings on the outskirts. Give my dad a nice barrier. And then basically what I'm gonna do is, damn. I just hit the cable wire. Dad. The dish I hit. That's stolen valor. Stolen valor. My dad has a handicap sign in his truck, and he did not need that. But physically, he's intact. Certified crash out.
Hook 'em on there better.
Where? The battery?
Yeah.
Red to black?
Yeah, actually cross and make sure you got a good connection.
Should I put my hand in there too?
No.
Why? I heard it can be really self-relieving to purposely electrocute yourself.
What the fuck are you doing?
Dude, you still have the rubber on this one, dude. Johnny Balboni's camper. It's fucking bullshit, man.
I'm gonna kill somebody.
Who? Who? Me? Dude, I'll go dump this camper in Hardy Pond right now, son. I'll drive it right off. Oh my god. I could have had this move
There you
5
go.
years ago with my skid steer, but Dad doesn't want me to scratch it,
I don't.
and I wouldn't. He ain't no operator though, so he don't get it. He don't trust me because he doesn't trust himself. I'm trying to double dip the rage bait.
All right, drop that tailgate and back that rig up under.
Okay, yes sir. Yes sir. Absolutely not. I planned on
Just you
backing
see
it.
that frickin' branch coming off that tree right there?
I was gonna back right into it. Is that where you want it?
Yeah, back it right into there, okay?
I was gonna hit the oak
Actually,
tree on
just
the way
scrape it,
out.
haul down them trees. I'll get a new fucking camper.
I'm thinking about it.
I'm fucking am too. Go ahead.
To my truck and maybe. Do you
Yeah.
think- would they give me a new
Just
truck?
sideswipe the whole mother, all right?
Should I? Actually, sound like you're getting upset now. It doesn't seem like a joke anymore.
I mean, just sideswipe the mother.
Are you actually mad at me right now?
No, not a bit. Scrape that motherfucker all you want.
I just got the best rage bait from my dad ever, and for one, he can't take a joke. And Is that a battery-powered saw?
Oh yeah, that thing's wicked too.
Is it? I ain't seen too many of those.
I can't do this. I don't have the patience for you. I don't have the patience for you.
You know, my parents, there's only about 4 or 5 people who really care about you in this world, and it's usually your brother, your sister, your mom and dad, your partner, and maybe 3 buddies, if that. And I truly believe that it is an absolute honor if you can repay the people who believed in you when you shouldn't have been believed in. I think it serves a great purpose to to thank people and give them. This is why you believed in me, and this is what you received from me. And, that's not mean so much to me when you're like, when you got nothing, and people sit there neck on the line for you, like, get a job you're underqualified for, like, those are good people, man. And try to be that person to other people. That's a Chinese type, Dad. Hey, actually, illustrate that in that corner, basically, this way. Like, ask. That's basically that. Ready, find YouTube. Who's in the black truck? Alright, I'm gonna have a beer and let this charge up for a bit.
Stop watching me.
Here.
Why are you following me?